Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making black raspberry jelly. It's a recipe that's been passed down for generations, and so have the plants that are planted in our backyard. So we pick the berries, and once we get enough, we like to make black raspberry jelly. So come on and let's get started. Alright, so we're ready to start. I have my helpers here, and we have our juice and our lemons and our sugar. And I'll explain the process. It's super easy. Alright, first things first. We've got our berries, and now we need to cook them down to make the juice. So we want to rinse these, put them in a pot, and barely cover them with water. I like to start around 6 cups of berries. I mean, give or take a few. It's okay if you have less or more. So we're just going to rinse them, put them in our pot. Barely cover with water. So you're going to boil that for 20 minutes and lightly mash it with a potato masher while you're boiling it. After you're done boiling it, you want to strain your berries with a colander. Something that's mesh works better, but use what you have. Even cheesecloth over a jar with a rubber band, that'll work too. Once we have our juice, we're looking to get about 3.5 to 4 cups to start with. And now my helpers are going to help. So maybe you can just use your hands to squeeze it, or you can use...
We need 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. So we're gonna start.
Go ahead. You can just squeeze it, or you can. There you go.
Hard. So I'm gonna use this.
Okay. Can you get it over the bowl, or you want your own bowl?
I want my own
Squeeze it until you think you're good.
To get the seeds out, we need to strain it.
Okay.
Can I pour?
Yeah.
Let's measure out our sugar. We need exactly 5 cups. Can I put 5 cups? You also need your fruit pectin. Now it's time to start mixing everything together. You pour now, We've mixed our berry juice with our lemon juice. Don't forget the fruit pectin. Pour it in here.
Yes.
Holy moly, it's sinking, Mommy. It's like a giant snow mountain that's sinking into the lava. Now it's time to stir it up. Always ask help with using the stove. Constantly stir until you bring it to a boil. Oh, alright. Now it's boiling and it's time to add the sugar. And here it is. Should I pour it now?
Yep.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Now it's time to stir it up until it dissolves.
Okay.
Continue to stir until you bring it back up into a boil. When the foamy bubbles form on top, that's when you know it's done. I think those foamy bubbles. Do not overcook the pectin. Mommy, I think there's foamy bubbles.
Like.
Alright, there's our foamy bubbles. Time to pour it into our hot jars. Put the lids on. Now I'm gonna flip the jar over for 10 minutes. Now it's time to flip the jars back over until they seal. Let's get ready to pop.
Are they too hot? I can do it.
And then grab our lid. Oops. And then sometimes you can hear them pop. What is it? They pop again.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Why are we being so quiet?
I don't know.
Mama, you're a goof. That's it. It's super simple. and don't forget to subscribe for more family fun farm videos.